day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Schneider Electric Batam Smart Factory as one of our operational factory. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wiranata Suganda. I'm the plant director of sensor plant and electromechanic plant. Glad to welcome you for today's virtual tour in our smart factory. We have 3 plants, but today we will show you one of our plants, which is electromechanic plant. In Batam, we started our operations in 1991, and we started our digital transformation journey in 2017 by deploying Ecostruxure for industry architecture and platform. We continue our transformation journey until today. We, as one of 11 smart factory of Schneider Electric, and this Smart Factory program is a part of the global transformations in our supply chain. And we have been recognized by Ministry of Industry of Indonesia as the first lighthouse for Industry 4.0, and as well has been recognized from the World Economic Forum along with the other factories in China, France, and Mexico. Today you have been hearing about efficiency and productivity. We can show you how we are using the Ecostruxure solutions in Batam Smart Factory to reduce the maintenance costs, extend the asset life, reduce energy, and reduce the waste management costs. This is especially important when the times are tough, and these small changes can generate the big rewards. Like we achieved today, 40% reductions of scrap costs for some of the critical machines through our Quality 4.0 solutions for the defect reduction. And the integrated supply chain has increased the supply service rate by 70%. As the result of the entire solutions, our on-time delivery improved by 40%. You will see our innovation hub, and you will see the product that we manufacture in Batam, and you will understand how we apply the 3 layers of Ecostruxure into our operations. And at the factory floor, you will see exactly how we use some of the Ecostruxure solutions to increase our efficiencies and productivity. Now, my colleague Budi Sulistiarto, our digital transformations leader, will take you into the innovation hub. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Batam Smart Factory Innovation Hub. Let me introduce myself. My name is Budi Sulistiarto. I am a digital transformation leader. So now we are in our innovation hub. Instead to welcoming our visitors, innovation hub also used by managers for short interval meeting before COVID-19 situations. But now, during COVID-19 situations, all the short interval meeting is done by virtually. In Innovation Hub, we have 3 main areas: customer wall, product showcase, and also the 6 screens we call command center. So, I will explain about customer wall. In customer wall, basically, we will explain to our visitors about Batam digital transformation journey. And also, we will explain the detail about Ecostruxure. Ecostruxure is Schneider Electric IoT platform, which is Ecostruxure is open and interoperable platform. Ecostruxure already comply to end-to-end cybersecurity. And for the storage, we can save into cloud and also on-premise. Ecostruxure consists of 3 layers. The first layer we call connected product, like sensors, receivers, and also HMI. In second layer, we call edge control. Edge control is like interface, data concentrator, to be a bridge for connected products and third layer. In third layer, we call apps analytics and services. Consists of applications software that can be done for analytics, and also able to give the advice that we call advisors. The next ones, I will show to you the product that we are producing in Batam Smart Factory. We are divided based on the Ecostruxure layers. In the bottom one, we call connected product. For example, like a sensor, drive, and then contactor, relay, and so on. In here, PEM, plant electromechanic, we are producing contactors in second floor, relay in third floor, tower like in third floor. In the second layer, edge control, we are producing PLC in PEL, plant electronics. We have also Schneider Majelis edge box. I will show you later in our machines in shop floor. We have 6 screens in here that we call command center. In Batam Smart Factory, we are eat our own food, meaning that we are implementing Schneider solutions, which is from Ecostruxure, Aveva, and some applications is developed by internally Batam Digital Transformation team. Ecostruxure that we are implementing in Batam Smart Factory focusing on building, power management, top floor management, machine and quality, and shop floor management. I will explain the detail one by one. This is building management that we call Ecostruxure building management system. Previously, all of the activity related to utility and facility equipment is done manually. Facility people or technicians need to go to control room to switch on and switch off the equipment of facility and utility. But now, all of the equipment already integrated and connected to this building management solutions. So all of the things is already scheduled and also can monitoring the performance inside of these solutions. The next one is power monitoring experts. Instead of building management to monitor and controlling our facility and utility equipments, we are also monitoring the power consumptions using Ecostruxure power monitoring experts. In here, we can monitor the consumptions, energy consumptions from PEM, which is in this plant, PEL, plant electronic, sensor plant, and also Batam logistic platform. And then we are able to analyze which plants that consume more energy. Then we can go to detail and do the analysis. With these applications, we can monitor and then we can do the analysis faster. After we implement both of these applications, building management system and power monitoring experts, we can get about 5 until 6% of energy consumption saving within 6 months after we implement. I will go to the next solutions that we have. This is, we call MCT, Manufacturing Control Tower, developed internally in Batam Digital Transformation team. But now, this tool or solution is already recognized and implemented in regional, even in global also. Manufacturing Control Tower is for top floor management, meaning that we connect and integrated all the solutions in shop floor and then connected to one applications that we call Tableau, and automatically will give you the data, visibility data. So manufacturing control tower consists of KPIs each department, key performance indicator each department. As I mentioned previously, that this area is also used by manager for short interval meeting. They no need to prepare PPT, they need to prepare data and so on, because all the data is already automatically available in MCT, Manufacturing Control Tower. Just only see the trend, whether it is increase or decrease. And then just need to prepare the reason why. The next ones we call Ecostruxure Machine Advisor. This is used by engineering team. Basically, the solutions Ecostruxure Machine Advisor is for OEM or machine maker, because they're able to monitor all the machines that they are producing. They're able to monitor the machines that they are selling in each country and each plant. But Batam Smart Factory, we are using these ones to monitor the machines in Batam and also to connect with another machines in AAG regions. So the goal of implementations Ecostruxure Machine Advisor is to do brainstorming, to have the same level performance. For example, like in Batam, we have similar machines in Batam and Thailand for circuit breaker. We have the similar machines. We are comparing which one is the better. Then we can study and discuss each other to get the same level of performance. In Ecostruxure Machine Advisor, there is have two main features, track and monitor. In tracks, we're able to see the architecture of the machines. So maintenance or maintenance manager or maintenance engineer, they will easy to detect the architecture of the machines. The documentations also available in here. So we are not worried to lose any document or paper, because we have already the digital data or soft copy of the document. The second feature is monitor. In monitor, we're able to monitor the data from the machines. We can analyze also in here and then give the recommendation or advisor to maintenance manager or maintenance engineering. So that's why maintenance manager able to make the action plan to improve their machines. The next one's LDS, Lean Digitization System by AVEVA. This is shop floor management to monitor and to manage our production operational. So in here, we can monitor in the real time how many parts or product that we are producing compared to the target. We're able to monitor KE, coefficient efficiency, and then we're able to monitor also which line or which area that's required to get the support from support functions. And the last one, this is for machines management and quality also. We call AVEVA Insight. We are connected our machines to these solutions, to these applications, and then monitor the critical parameter of each machine. What you can see in here, like area, inductance, temperatures, diff A resistance, and so on. This is the sample of critical parameter of the machine itself. We are defining all the critical parameter together with quality, maintenance, and process people. So that's why we put all the data and then we monitor in real time. In here, we're setting up the minimum limits and maximum limit control. And let's say if actual limit is out of the control limits, we'll send the notifications to the respective people, whether it's maintenance or quality people. We are not connected only in Batam Smart Factory, but also now we are connected to our suppliers. If we open in here, we have Batam PEM dashboard, Sanwa Batam dashboards, which is our supplier for plastic molding machines, Batam PEL plant electronic dashboard. So we monitor for Batam Smart Factory machines, and also we monitor in our suppliers or vendor. Yeah. So this is a big screen in our command center for the detail how we utilize all the solutions, and then how we enjoy the benefits, how we can get the benefits. I will explain later in our shop floor. So I will meet to all of you in shop floor later on, and then I will explain about the how we utilize the applications, and then how we can generate the productivity and efficiency in our shop floor production. Thank you for joining me in Innovation Hub. Welcome back to Batam Smart Factory Tour. Now we are in our second floor of production operations, and in here we are manufacturing contractor products. I will show you how we utilize of Ecostruxure solutions and how we enjoy the benefit of Ecostruxure solution. So please follow me. Now we are in coil line area. I will show you one of solutions that we implement in here. As you know that production operations need to have the visibility data, especially of the performance of the operations. So previously, I will show you, this is the tool that we have to monitor our performance of production operations. Operator need to fill in by manually how many product defect, how many good product, and then operator also need to define what is the waste, what is the barrier that they are facing during operations, and also operator need to fill in by manually the product that they are producing, and the end of the shift, operator need to calculate the efficiency by manual. And now all of this one already provides in one tool that we call LDS, Lean Digitization System Solutions, provided by APEVA. So we have all visibility in one solution. In here you can see e-Enden, e-performance, e-work order management, e-Kanban, e-work instruction, and also e-quality. So in what you can see in here, there have a good quantity of product, bad quantity of the product. You can see in here also what is the barrier, what is the downtime that they are facing during operation. Also, in work order management, you can see the product reference in here. Means that this is the product that need to produce by this day. And for e-Enden is the tool to call the support functions. Let's say if there is have abnormality or maybe maintenance issue, quality issue, and we need to get the support from the support functions, just click the icon, and then will automatically send the notification through Telegram. And then maintenance technicians or maybe quality inspector will immediately come to the certain area, because they able to see where is the issue is coming from, and then what is the clue of the issue. With this tool, with these solutions, we can get 13% of operational efficiency. I will show you another solutions that we implement in Batam. Please follow me. Virtual reality for industrialization. The solutions used by maintenance and also quality and process people to validate the designs of the machines. As you know that in Batam, we have a lot of automation projects. So that's why we need to validate the design of the machines before we manufacture the machine itself. Previously, we need to go to our vendor to validate the design. But now, with this virtual reality, we can do validations within virtual. With this virtual reality solutions, we can saving a lot of costs, especially the travel costs and also the validation costs, because we don't need to go directly to our vendor site. We can do validations by virtually in Batam. Another solutions that we have used by the maintenance, how we utilize the applications, please follow me. This is the next solutions that we implement in Batam. We call Avantis for Computerized Maintenance Management System. We are using this solutions for maintenance to record all the activity. We record the downtime, we record the preventive maintenance, then we record also all of the things related to the maintenance. For the detail, you can see in here. Yeah. Maintenance equip iPad for each technicians, and then they will open AVEVA Avantis, and then they need to select the name of the technician, and then they're able to open the task list of each technician. This is the example task list for Sudarmanto, the name of the technician. And they will select one of the machines, and then they will open the detail of the task list. They can check one by one each item, and then they can do the preventive maintenance. And they need to tick when the action is done. And then after that, maintenance can take also the picture immediately using the solution. Previously, all of the maintenance activity is done using paper. They need to record manually using the paper. They need to record the activity. They need to record the time. Even they need to take a picture by their own mobile device. Then after that, copy all the data into the Excel file. But now, all the activity already digitized by Avantis. Yeah, that's all how maintenance utilize the Avantis, and then with all of the solutions that's used by maintenance, like Avantis, and then AVEVA Insights and another solutions, AOA, we can achieve about 17% of maintenance repair time reduction. I will show you to the next solution. Please follow me. The next solutions that we implement in Batam is about IoT, Internet of Things. This Internet of Things is to monitor the real-time data monitoring and alert system. As you know that this machines is coil winding machines, very critical to contractor product. So that's why we need to monitor the critical process of the machine itself. Previously, we don't have any data to monitor the real time of parameter. So that's why a lot of product defect generated by machine itself. But now we have IoT solutions that we call AVEVA Insight, provided by AVEVA also. With these applications, we can monitor all the critical parameter of the machines, and then we can setting up the minimum limit and maximum limit control. Let's say if the actual value is out of the control limit, we'll automatically send the alert and notifications to the respective viewer. Maintenance or quality will come immediately to the machines to see what is the problem before machine generate the defect product. How IoT works in these machines, I will show you. Can we take the sensor? Yeah. We install the sensor in this machine. Not only one sensor, but we install several sensors in this machine, and also some critical machine that we have in Batam. So this is, for example, Schneider wireless temperature sensor. Very easy to install, just plug and play in the metal devices. And now in this machine, we install this temperature sensor to our motor to monitor the temperature of the motor itself. And then the sensor will send signal to receiver. Then from receiver, will send signal to the IoT box. In this IoT box, we create the programmings and coding and also some calculations. After that, upload the data into the cloud. This IoT system following the concept of Ecostruxure. As you know, that our Ecostruxure have 3 layers. Sensor and receiver is part of the first layer that we call connected product. IoT box is part of the second layer that we call edge control. And Aveva Insight is part of the third layer that we call apps analytics and services. After we able to monitor all the critical parameter, and then we can prevent before the product generate product defect, we can save about 40% of scrap cost reduction. I will show you another applications that used by maintenance also. These solutions we call AOA, Augmented Operator Advisor. The solutions used by maintenance, the concept is augmented, just points to machines, and then we'll show you all the data requirements to do the troubleshooting. For the detail, you can see in here. How maintenance use and utilize these solutions, just point the iPad to the machines, and then freeze, will come out the pop-up that we call point of interest. We can open one by one point of interest. Yeah. This is the sample. We can open the cabinet door without contact to the cabinet door itself. So we can open by augmented. We can open the detail. Yeah, we can see in here manual user of the component inside of the cabinet. So we don't need to go to workshops and then bring out the book, because all of the things are already provided by these solutions. We can open another one, electrical diagram. So this is electrical diagram only for the cabinet itself. So we don't need to open page by page, one by one, to find out the electrical diagram, because this electrical diagram is already pointed to certain cabinet, so specific to certain cabinet. We can see another one, live data from the machines. So we can see also live data from the machines without any contact to the machine itself. All of the data is augmented reality by these solutions. You can see the value of the testings, and you can see in here different colors. Orange color is meaning minor error. Red color is meaning major error. So in here meaning that there is have a minor error. We can open. Yeah, this is the procedure. So the last one, we have a procedure to prevent any human error, because in this procedure there is have step by step, one by one, how to solve the issue. So for example, like a newcomer or new technicians, no need to worry, they cannot solve the issue, because all the step is already provided by this AOA solutions. So with these solutions, we can reduce maintenance repair time. We can increase the machine uptime. We can reduce maintenance repair time about 17% compared to the last year. Yeah. That's all some solutions that we implement in Batam. For your information, we have lots of other applications that we implement in Batam, but we cannot show to you all of the applications. We just share to you some applications, major applications that we implement in Batam. With all of the applications, we can enjoy the benefits about 13% of operational efficiency. We can get about 40% of scrap reductions, and especially for the maintenance, we can reduce about 17% of maintenance repair time. So that's all from me. Thank you for joining Batam Smart Factory Tour.